Hi, I'm Tom, and welcome to Alley Picked. In order for me to put out weekly videos like I do, I'm always looking for cool and interesting projects, things that I can turn into videos. But not just any projects, it has to be appealing and interesting to me, otherwise what's the point in even doing it? So today on Alley Picked, I thought it might be kind of fun to show you guys some upcoming projects, some cool things that I found and am planning to turn into some really neat and interesting videos. Welcome to Alley Picked. Out of all the things I've ever found in the trash, this chair is probably in the top 3. This was sitting out on somebody's lawn where there was a garage sale, and I asked how much for the chair. They said free. Well, my eyes lit up.
I am shocked and appalled.
They said it was sitting there for a couple of days. Nobody wanted it. Well, their loss is my gain. This is quite an amazing and beautiful chair. It's an original William Morris chair, probably from the early 1900s. Now, if you don't know who William Morris is, Google him. Very interesting. Now, my plan is to refinish the wood and then either make or have made some leather cushions for it. These chairs are very valuable. Also, at that same garage sale where I got that chair, I picked up this. It looks like a plant stand or maybe a pedestal for a vase. I'm not really sure, but I like the look of it. It's mahogany. The only problem is the top. The top has some veneer on it that's peeling, but my plan is to cut up this mahogany board and make a new top for it. Now, it's not a big project, but I always gain a lot of satisfaction by reviving a piece of someone's history. You may not believe this, but at that same garage sale, I found a third item. I had a very interesting conversation with two sisters who were running the sale. I told them about my YouTube channel, Alley Picked, and I also told them that I like to work on stained glass projects. Well, they told me an interesting story about their brother. Years ago, he would go into abandoned houses and remove the stained glass from them until he got caught by the cops. But before then, he did manage to remove these windows. In fact, they had 4 windows just like this that were bent and broken. They were in the corner of the garage, not even for sale. Well, I made a deal with them. I told them I would take all 4 windows, restore them, and give them 2 of the windows. Each sister could have 1. And I did 2 of them already, and let me show you how good they came out. The one on the right here has been restored. The one on the left, I haven't touched. It's bent, it has broken glass, but I just wanted to show you what you can do with a little elbow grease and hard work. Here's a nice little farm scene. It's made from individually cut pieces of wood that are painted and then fit together. I picked this up at a flea market for $8, but it's dull, it's lifeless. It really needs a new, fresh paint job. That's going to transform it from a dull and lifeless country scene and give it a vibrant and colorful look. This thing is then going to get an epoxy finish, which is going to make it pop. And when it's complete, it'll be a really nice farm scene that's going to be a standout in any room. So here's another really nice stained glass window that I picked up at the flea market for only $20. He was selling it for $250 before he broke it on his truck accidentally. So I'm going to restore this, and when I'm done, it's going to look good as new, or good as old, or old as old, or I don't know. Let's just say it's going to be awesome. I like to pick up metal bases like this when I find them because they're easily converted into tables. You can buy round, square, or rectangular tabletops prefabbed at home centers. All you have to do is stain and finish them yourself. You can also find old tables in the garbage, cut them down, and just screw them onto these things, and they make good tables as well. Or if you're like me, you've got tons of scrap wood, you can piece together some nice, interesting tabletops. Also this week, I got a bunch of free wood. Let me show you. I was helping a friend refinish his deck, and under the deck he had all this wood. He just wanted to get rid of it, so I took it off his hands for absolutely nothing, and I'm sure I'm going to find a lot of uses for it. Well, thanks for watching Alley Picked. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to look forward to some future videos where I get to use all this cool stuff. Thanks for watching Alley Picked. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.